Have you ever noticed how easy it is to define yourself by your circumstances, by your successes and your failures, by your past experiences, or by roles that you've played, or the challenges that you faced? But what if none of these are truly who you are? Join me for a powerful exploration of one of Unity's foundational teachings: human beings are inherently divine. Together, we'll explore what it means to be an expression of the divine and why our worth is not determined by our circumstances, and how remembering our spiritual nature can transform the way we see ourselves and one another. If you've ever struggled with self-doubt, with self-judgment, or wondering whether you're enough, this message is for you. I hope that you'll join us as we remember a simple but life-changing truth. You are not separate from God. You are an expression of divine life.